Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy curly bun hairstyle. I've started with curly hair and I'm just going to divide this in half, and starting on the left hand side I'm going to divide this section in half again and secure each half into a small elastic band, creating two ponytails. Then we're just going to do the same on the right hand side, so split the section in half and create two more ponytails. And when you finish, you should have 4 ponytails. Now, taking the ponytail on the far left, I'm going to join it to ponytail number 3. So miss one out, twist it towards the head and then join it to the next ponytail. Then I'm going to take the ponytail on the far right and join it to the ponytail on the far left. So twist it towards the head and then join them together with another clear elastic band. Then pinch and pull at those twists for a little bit more messy volume. And then just slip a bobby pin through each twist to keep it secure to the head. Okay, taking the ponytail on the right hand side, I'm going to divide it in half and just wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. But every time I twist the section, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out. So twist the hair over, section off a piece of hair and leave it out of the twist, and then just carry on doing this until you get to the bottom of the hair and secure it off with another clear elastic band. Then just repeat the same twist on the left hand side, so split it in half, wrap the sections around each other, making sure that you leave a piece of hair out every time you twist the hair. Now I'm going to pop some fingers down through the top of the twist on the left hand side, and I'm going to grab that right hand ponytail and pull it all the way through. Then I'm going to take the ends and I'm going to pop my fingers coming up the twist on the right hand side, grab the ends and again pull them all the way through. Then just secure it at the top and bottom with a few bobby pins. And then I'm going to pop my fingers down through the right hand twist at the top, grab that little ponytail and pull it up and through. Bring the ends over to the opposite side, pop your fingers under the twist on the left hand side and pull the ends all the way through. Then just secure it all the way round with as many bobby pins as needed. To cover the elastic bands, I'm just going to take the tail ends of those ponytails, bring them up and wrap them around a bobby pin, and then just insert them into the top of the bun to hide the bands, and do this on both sides of the head. And with the curls, if you've got one that's too long, just wrap it around the bobby pin, insert it into the bun and then just adjust the length by pulling on it. And then I like to reposition a couple of the curls. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.